Hi, my name's Kelsey with Design Concepts and welcome back to What's New. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at our new tabletop samples that just came in from Intense Lighting. Now, if you didn't know this already about Intense Lighting, they are recognized as a solutions-based manufacturer with award-winning products from track lighting, downlighting, and multiple recessed fixtures. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 4-inch downlight LC4 series. The LC4 provides value without compromise, offering high efficiency and comfortable illumination in a single airtight IC fire-rated J-box style housing. These are offered in 0 to 10 volt or full phase dimming options. If you're needing extended dimming options and/or needing emergency battery backup, the LC4F, which is a flat frame housing design, will be your go-to. This housing is perfect for light commercial projects. Next, let's take a look at the 4-inch trim module options. All of these modules are die-cast aluminum with a deep cone design for glare control. They are all standard 92 CRI and suitable for dry, damp, and wet locations. Modules consist of your round and square that have a 90-degree optic to allow for optimal spacing. Next, you have your round adjustable that features a 30-degree tilt and 360-degree rotation with narrow or wide beam optics. And also available in the coming months is going to be our new drop-down lens. I'm very excited about this product to now help reduce the shadowing on ceilings that create that cave effect. All 4 of these modules are available in black, white, or satin nickel, and they are all compatible with either the LC4 or LC4F housing. If you'd like to take a closer look at our tabletop samples or need design assistance using this product on your next project, feel free to reach out to our office. And as always, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel to be kept up to date on our manufacturer's latest lighting products and technologies.